Come here. Come here and do something. Come here. Come here, pretty boy. Come here, pretty boy. Come here. We're going to get your sister so you can play and show your stuff. Yes. I know you're all alone. For just a minute. Your dad's getting your little sister so you can play with her and show that you're not boring, that you're a happy, bouncy little puppy. Wait just a minute. Don't cry. Don't cry. Just a minute, she'll be here. She'll be here in just a minute. Here she comes. She's coming in just a minute. I know it. Don't be so sad. Oh, you're so pretty. Here she comes. Here she comes to play with you. Look at there. Look at there. Here's your sister. Come on over there. Y'all play. See, I'm sick of her. I don't want to play with her. Well, maybe a little bit. There. You can play just a little, can't you? That's better, isn't it? Move around and act like she's not too interested in playing, is she? Or he's not. I get my he's and she's mixed up. He's not interested in playing. Wag her little tail. Is that